Alright, so today I was trying to mess up with a Minecraft server, and when it came to the point of port forwarding, I realized that my ISP is too crappy that their port forwarding thing does not work at all. So I had to look for other solutions, and there was this thing called tunneling thing. I don't know, it was about calorie, but that didn't work for Minecraft, so it was on HTTPS only. So we have another solution using Ngrok. So what this does is Ngrok exposes local network services behind NAT and firewalls to the public internet over tunnel. This is a tunneling as well, of course. So I'm going to host a Minecraft server as a sample for today's video. So let me start a Minecraft server on another workspace. We got sorry, paper empty. I forgot paper empty start. Figured I should start the server. Alright, so until it starts, let me tell you that you need to get a token. So basically search up Ngrok and DuckDuckGo and go to the website, sign up, and they'll give you a command to set up the oath token. After that, you can run Ngrok TCP. So TCP is like protocol. There is HTTP, that is the protocol that web browsers use. There is TCP, that is the one Minecraft likes to use. And I suppose there should be an FTP option. No, there is not. There is TLS as well. And we have to set the region if you're not in the US. AP for Asia Pacific. The website has more information about it. Alright. And then the port at localhost. So 255.655 is the port that it connects to a localhost. I'm sorry about the colors. And this is the IP that you're supposed to join. Or ping, of course. So my server has started. And let me ping the server. So can you ping this tool? Ping the server. We are TCP. Oh yeah, we should not specify port here, but that's going to give you a packet loss because port's not specified. I'm going to use a Minecraft server status ticker. There we go. And if I type in the IP here and get server status, you should see that the mod open, space paper MC, that's server. My server is up and running. I don't have to mess up with port forwarding on this. Just one command and there we go. Everything's set up.